Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK 49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 26 May, Monday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 9, number 10, number 21, number 26, number 32, number 37. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 9, number 10, number 21, number 26, number 32, number 37. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 12, number 16, number 22, number 35, number 42, number 47. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 12, number 16, number 22, number 35, number 42, number 47. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 2 and number 49 and number 47 and number 39. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 2 and number 9 and number 47 and number 39. Now tea time prediction for 26 May, Monday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 10, number 19, and number 22, and number 32, and number 42, and number 46. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 10, number 19, number 22, number 32, number 42, number 46. Tea time second prediction numbers: number 7, number 16, number 24, number 28, number 37, and number 45. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 7 and number 16 and number 24, number 28, number 37, and number 45. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 14 and number 22 and number 28 and number 34. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 14 and number 22 and number 28 and number 34. So friends, complete today lunch time and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel page.